These new Chinese AI models are insane. So two new AI models just dropped out of China. One is called GLM 5V Turbo from GPU AI. The other is called Qwen 3.6 Plus from Alibaba. And I'm going to break down exactly what they do, why they are different from everything else out there right now, and how you can actually use them to grow a real business today. Let's start with GLM 5V Turbos, because this one breaks your brain a little when you first see it. So here is the simple version. You take a screenshot of any website or app design, you drop it into GLM 5V Turbo, and it builds you the actual working code, not a rough draft, not something you have to spend 2 hours fixing, real, usable, functional front-end code that you can take and use. Now, I know that sounds like something people say about every new AI tool, but here is what is different. GLM 5V Turbo scored around 94.8% on design to code benchmark tasks. That number is huge. That means this thing is not guessing what your layout should look like. It actually understands spacing. It understands colors. It understands how a page is supposed to be structured and how it is supposed to function. It reads the visual and turns it into real code. And this is not just for images. It handles video too. Screen recordings, UI layouts, documents. If you can show it something visually, it can understand it and work with it. It also comes with a 200,000 token context window. That is not small. That means you can give it big projects, long briefs, complex structures, and it will hold all of it without losing track of what it is doing halfway through. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst he's out there helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to give you the latest AI updates. Julian reads every single comment, so drop something below and he will see it. So let me show you exactly how this works for a real business. Say you want to build a new landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. Normally, you would need a designer, then a developer, then revisions, then more revisions. Then it takes weeks. With GLM 5V Turbo, here is what you do instead. You find a landing page that you love the look of. You take a screenshot, you drop it in, and you give it a prompt like this. Take this screenshot and build me a landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. It needs to explain what AI automation is, why it matters for business owners, and get people to want to join the community. Make it clean, conversion-focused, and easy to read. That is it. GLM 5V Turbo looks at the screenshot, reads the prompt, understands the layout, and gives you back the full HTML and CSS. You hand it to your team or plug it straight in. Done. No designer, no developer, no back and forth. The AI saw what you wanted and it built it, faster than any traditional process. The model sees the design, it reads the brief, it builds you the page. You did not write a line of code, you did not open Figma, you did not hire anyone. This is what agentic visual AI actually looks like in practice. And think about what this unlocks over time. Every time you want to test a new page layout, a new offer, a new section on your site, you are not waiting on a developer. You screenshot, prompt, and build. That is a completely different speed of business. Okay, now let's talk about Qwen 3.6 Plus from Alibaba, because this one hits differently. GLM is about seeing things and building things from what it sees. Qwen is about thinking through massive, complex problems and actually executing on them step by step. The number that gets everyone is this: 1 million token context window. 1 million. Most AI tools you use right now max out somewhere between 100,000 and 200,000 tokens. Qwen handles 1 million. That is not a small jump. That is a completely different category. To make that real for you, 1 million tokens means you can paste in an entire code base, a full document library, every email your business has ever sent, an entire product roadmap. And Qwen does not get confused or lose the thread halfway through. It holds all of it. It reasons across all of it. And it gives you back something that actually accounts for everything you gave it. This is built for agents. Not just answering questions in a chat box, actually doing multi-step tasks, running code, debugging, automating workflows from beginning to end without you having to babysit every step. Here is what that looks like for a real business use case. Say you want to build a full AI automation system for onboarding new members into the AI Profit Boardroom. You want the welcome email automated, the resource delivery sorted, the community access set up, the follow-up sequence running. You paste the entire onboarding process into Qwen and you give it a prompt like this. Here is our full member onboarding process for the AI Profit Boardroom. Go through every single step, find where we are losing time and doing things manually, and build me a complete AI automation workflow that handles everything from welcome emails to resource delivery to community access without any manual work from my team. Qwen reads through all of it, every step, every detail. And it does not come back with a surface level answer. It comes back with a structured, multi-step automation plan you can actually implement. That is what 1 million tokens of context makes possible. Here is another one. Say you want to create a full content strategy for the AI Profit Boardroom across multiple platforms. You paste in your past content performance, your audience data, your goals, your current posting schedule, everything. Then you prompt it. Look at all of this and build me a 30-day content plan for the AI profit boardroom that grows the audience, drives real engagement, and promotes the value of AI automation to business owners. Give me platform-specific formats for YouTube, LinkedIn, and email. Make it specific and actionable. Because it can hold 1 million tokens at once, it is not guessing or filling in gaps. It is reading everything you gave it and building something that is actually tailored to your situation. That is the difference between a tool that feels smart and a tool that actually is smart. You could also use Qwen to analyze an entire business workflow and spot every single inefficiency. You paste in the whole thing, every process, every handoff, every tool used, and you ask it one tool, one prompt, a full audit of your business operations. That is what Qwen 3.6 Plus is capable of. Now let me give you the simple comparison between these two, because I know that is what you are thinking about. GLM 5V Turbo is eyes and hands. It sees things and it builds things. If your work is visual, design, front-end, landing pages, UI work, this is the one you reach for first. Qwen 3.6 Plus is brain and memory. It holds enormous amounts of information and reasons through complex multi-step problems all the way to execution. If your work is strategy, systems, workflows, automation, this is the one you need. They are not competing with each other. They are doing completely different jobs. And both of them are free to access right now through their APIs and through platforms like OpenRouter. That shift is real. It is happening right now. And the businesses that learn how to use these tools in the next few months are going to be operating at a completely different level than the ones still treating AI like a search engine upgrade. So if you want to stay ahead of this, keep watching this channel. I will keep breaking down the tools that actually matter and showing you how to use them in ways that make a difference for a real business. And one more thing, if you are building all of this content, putting in the work, and Google still is not sending you traffic, that is a traffic problem. And that is exactly what my team at Goldie Agency solves. We help business owners rank higher on Google, get more visibility, and bring in more leads without them having to do all the SEO work themselves. Check the link in the comments and description to find out how we can handle your AI SEO and backlinks while you stay focused on growth. And if you want to go deeper with SEO and AI working together, join the SEO Elite Circle. That is where we teach you the exact AI SEO systems we are running right now. No theory, no recycled tips from 2 years ago. Just step-by-step workflows, real examples, weekly live support, and clear actions you can follow without having to guess what to do next. If you are serious about growing with SEO and AI, that is where you start. Hit the link in the description and join the SEO Elite Circle today. Drop a comment below telling me which one you are more excited to test, GLM 5V Turbo or Qwen 3.6 Plus. Julian reads every single one, and I will see you in the next video.